So hi everybody and welcome to this week's video of RBX Excel videos. In this video we are going to talk about protecting your sheet or your workbook. If you like the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see a lot more of my Excel videos. Please enjoy. So in this video I'm going to tell you all about protecting your worksheet or your workbook. So to go to your protection options, you can go in the ribbon to the Review tab. And you see three buttons here at the Protect area. You can protect your sheet, you can protect your workbook, and you can allow edit ranges. First, we're going to take a look at the Protect Workbook button. When I click this button, I get this pop-up and I can enter a password, which is optional. I can leave this blank. So you can unprotect it without a password, and you are protecting your workbook for structure changes. So when I click OK, I can show you, for example, by clicking right on sheet 1, all my options to insert a sheet, hide a sheet, rename a sheet or delete a sheet are gray, and they are not available when my workbook is protected. And I can show you, when I click this button again, I did not enter a password, so I can just click it to unprotect my workbook. And I can right click on sheet 1 and you see all options are available again. So that's basically protecting your workbook. You are protecting your workbook, in other words, your whole Excel file. Another one is protect sheet. And I can click this button, I get this pop-up, and you can again optionally enter a password. I'll leave that blank for now, and you have all these categories here. Please keep in mind that all checkboxes which are on, users are allowed to do that. So in this case, users are only allowed to select locked cells and select unlocked cells. When I click this box here, users are also allowed to insert columns. And when I uncheck it, users are not allowed to insert columns. I can click OK and my worksheet is protected. I can just click again to unprotect it because I did not enter a password. Well, I can show you something else. When I right click on this cell, I go to Format Cells. I can go to the Protection tab. It's all on the end. I have two checkboxes here. And the default setting for Excel is that the checkbox for locked is checked and the checkbox for hidden is unchecked. That's the default setting for all cells when you create a new Excel sheet. Well, what does it mean? When this is locked, I can press OK. I can protect my worksheet, press OK, and I can try to change the cell. But Excel is telling me this is a protected sheet and this cell is locked. So I can unprotect my sheet again. I can right click again, go to Format Cells. On my Protection tab, I can uncheck this box, press OK, protect my sheet again without a password. And now I can select this cell again. I can change it because it's not locked. I can unprotect my sheet again, go to my Format Cells, and you see the checkbox is not checked, is unchecked, so I can change it while my sheet is protected. So I'm going to put this back on, and I'm going to show you what the hidden checkbox means. I can, for example, select this cell, and you see there is a formula which calculates the average of these cells. When I select it, click right, go to my Format Cells menu and select the checkbox for hidden, press OK, and I'm going to protect my sheet again without a password. And now you see I have selected this cell and my formula bar is empty. So the formula in this cell is hidden because I checked the checkbox for hidden. And when I check that checkbox and I protect my sheet, my formulas are all hidden. So if you do not want to show the formulas to your users, you can check the checkbox for hidden and protect your sheet. I can unprotect my sheet by clicking again, and you see the formula is back in my formula bar again. So that's a nice feature to hide your formulas for other users. So what you need to keep in mind is that when you right click, go to Format Cells, and these options are only active when I protect my worksheet. So when I check the box for hidden and the box for locked, and I do not protect my worksheet, it doesn't matter. Users can still see my functions or formulas and can still change the cells. So that's what you need to keep in mind. I can show you something else, and that's the Allow Edit Ranges button. When I want my whole worksheet to be protected, but I want to allow a user to fill these cells when they have a password and only fill these cells and not other cells, I can use the button Allow Edit Ranges. I can click this button and I get this menu. I can click New and I need to give that a title. So I can give this the title Input. And I'm going to refer to some cells. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to refer to these 3 cells. And my password will be hello. I can click OK and re-enter the password. Hello again. Press OK. And you see I have the title input, which refers to the cells D5 to D7. And I can click Apply. Click OK. And you can see when I protect my worksheet, I'm not going to enter a password here. My worksheet is protected. When I want to change this cell, it says it's locked and protected. When I change this cell, it says it's locked and protected. But when I want to change this cell, let's say I want to enter a name, I'm going to start typing and it says you can unlock this range with a password. So I'm going to give in my password, which was hello, click OK, and now I can enter a name. Press enter. I can enter a city. And I can enter a street. And that's all because I unlocked these 3 cells with my password. And I can still not change, for example, this cell, it says it's protected. So that's a nice feature of Excel to allow edit ranges when users have a password for that. So that was everything I wanted to tell you about protecting your sheet or your workbook or even a range within your workbook. I hope you learned a lot and you can protect your own workbook or worksheet. If you liked the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see a lot more of my Excel videos. Thanks for watching.